Hello, in this C programming video, I am going to cover a function that doesn't have a return type, not even void. So what happens when you do that? Will it crash? Will we get an error? Let's have a look. So usually, let's say if we created a function like this, void hello, and I'm just going to make this simply say hello, and I'll put a backslash in just for formatting, and I'll call that here. If you're unsure what functions are and how to, properly use them, feel free to check out my previous video. Run that and you'll say hello. And now, what happens if I get rid of this? Run it. Will we get an error? Now, well, we got a warning though, so let's see what the warning was. Warning: return type defaults to int. So that's the interesting thing. If you don't put void or a specific return type, it defaults to int. That means we can actually do this. We can say return, 90 for example, doesn't matter what we're returning, as long as it's an integer. And we could literally have int I equals hello. Then we could printf here. And I'll put %i. Return type is, I'll put \n. I save it and we'll get hello and then the word 90 printed out. There we go. Hello, and return type is 90. You will still get that warning even if you do return, because obviously it's not recommended to do this, because you should specify the return type even if it is void and you don't want to return anything. So ideally specify it. If you don't, it'll always give you warnings unless you suppress those warnings. But yeah, that's it. Very simple tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord group. If you liked the video, give it a like and hit the subscribe button. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.